Good morning. Hi. My name is Lee Faye. I am 5 years old. This is Valor. Valor gives me strength and courage. I feel calm and happy when Mommy rubs my back every morning. Kid sends toothpaste. Clean and protect my baby teeth. Day and night. Peppermint smells so fresh so I can focus well during my Zoom class. Veggies wash, soak. Please wait. Mommy has to prepare for my lunch. I like to play outdoors, but sometimes mosquito bites me. But it's okay. Mommy has boo-boo oil. Mommy will rub on my itchy legs. This is GJ's. When my tummy is ouchy, Mommy rubs GJ's on my tummy. Kid sends bath. Bubbles not only clean, it makes me very happy too. Oh, my owl is singing again.